All right, so I just pulled up to this new listing. It's located at 163 Cambridge Drive here in Pottsboro, Texas. I'm looking at the lake right here. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. They did an awesome remodeling job on this one. It's got 3-car garage. Anyway, let's go inside and check this one out. Once again, this is 163 Cambridge Drive here in Pottsboro, Texas. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage. And as you saw, beautiful remodeling job on this one. Lake view, what else can you ask for? Lake Texoma's like right there. You have your community boat ramp right there, private beach to the community right there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Check the links below. Message me if you have any questions. Thanks again for hanging out. See you.